Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss how to use EDA Playground for our Verilog coding practice. So this is the website for this EDA Playground, and here in this side, right side you can write your Verilog code, and in the left side you can write your test bench. Here already those things mentioned test bench, and here for designing. So by default this is either system Verilog or Verilog. So either you can write in the system Verilog or you can write in the Verilog. It will support. So today I will write just normal basic code module. This is the basic AND gate Verilog code. Now let's write the test bench for this module. So this is the test bench for this module. Here I wrote all the possible conditions for inputs, and we are checking these possibilities. What is the our output? So let's save it. Okay, before save, we need to uh, set these some simulators. Here we need to set this simulator, and this by default this language is Verilog, so no need to set. Okay, and we want this waveform, right? Simulated waveform. So we need to tick here. Next, save. Okay, now run this. Okay, so our simulation is done, but we can't see our waveform. So what we need to do, we need to write two lines here in this test bench so that we can observe our simulation. In Vivado, we no need to write those lines. We can directly simulate and we can observe that waveform. But here in this EDA playground, we need to write those two lines to observe our waveform. So what are those lines? So here we need to write those two lines. That is dump file, write some name. I'm writing and pv dot vcd. Dot vcd is needed. That is the extension of that file. Next, um, okay. So these are the two lines we need to write to observe a waveform. Let's save it. Now we can run. Okay. So here that waveform we can see. Here you can see for initially A0, B0, Y0. A0, B is 1, then output is 0. Then A is 1, B is 0, then Y is 0. And at last, when both inputs are high, then output is high. That is 1. This is the simulation. And here we can share our code. We need to write here a name like and waveform, and we have two options. We can save as a private, either we can publish or in public mode. So if publish means it will appear in the search result. If anyone search this and waveform, then it will show. Okay, and here you can copy your uh, this saved result link. We can save. Done. So here you can see your whatever you shared, your playground. See, here is the and waveform. Okay, here you can see this whatever you have done. And this is the code we wrote. Okay. Here you can see your previous work also. Like this, I have wrote this code. Okay, like this you can see your previous work. So in this way, you can use this EDA playground to write your Verilog code in Testbench and observe your waveform. Okay, thank you.